In this video, you'll learn how to delete a section in the 2026 version of the Hostinger website builder. Hostinger, formerly known as Zyro, uses a stacked layout, which means your website is built from sections placed one on top of another, almost like building blocks. When you remove one of those blocks, the sections below it automatically slide up to fill the space, so you don't have to manually rearrange anything. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on how to safely delete a section you no longer need and what you should pay attention to before you do it. First, make sure you're in the website editor for the site you want to modify. Once the editor is open, scroll through your page until you find the specific section you want to remove. Think of a section as a full-width horizontal slice of your page. It might contain a hero banner, a gallery, a pricing table, or a contact area. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct part of the page, because deleting the wrong section can change the flow of your design quite a bit. When you found the section you want to delete, move your mouse anywhere over the empty space inside that section. This can be between elements or next to text or images, as long as it's clearly inside the boundaries of that block. Click once in that area. After you click, the builder will highlight the entire section with a blue border. This is your visual confirmation that the section is selected, not just an individual element like a single image or text box. You'll also see a small label appear in the top right corner of that highlighted area, indicating that you're working with the whole section. With the section now clearly selected, look toward that top right corner where the label appears. A small floating menu will show up next to it. Inside this menu, you'll see several icons that relate to section level actions. Among them is the trash can icon, which represents delete. Hover over it if you need to double check, then click the trash can icon to start removing the section. At this point, depending on what's inside the section, the builder may show a confirmation message. This usually happens when the section contains important elements like larger text blocks, images, or other content that might be difficult to recreate. The confirmation is there to help prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully to make sure this is definitely the section you intend to remove. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the section will disappear from your page, and all the sections that were below it will automatically move up, closing the gap. This keeps your layout tidy and ensures you don't end up with empty spaces on your site. If you notice that you deleted the wrong section, remember that you can usually use the editor's undo option right away to bring it back. That's all you need to do. By selecting the correct section, clicking to highlight it, using the trash icon in the floating menu, and confirming when prompted, you can quickly clean up your page and keep your layout focused on the content that matters most.